In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change icon project in Grok. By the end, you'll know exactly how to refresh the look of a project by updating its icon, which can make your workspace easier to scan and more organized at a glance. First, open your Grok account. Launch Grok in your browser and sign in so you're on the main dashboard. Give the page a moment to load fully so all your projects and controls are visible. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where the project you want to update lives. Next, click Project. This takes you into the project view where you can see details like the title, description, and, importantly, the current project icon. Think of the icon as the project's visual signature. Changing it can help you distinguish it from others quickly, especially if you manage several similar efforts. Now find the existing project icon and click it. Depending on your layout, the icon usually appears next to the project name or near the header area. When you hover over it, you may see a small prompt or an edit indicator. Click the icon to open the icon selection panel. This is the place where Grok lets you change the look with a new graphic that better represents your project. Once the icon panel is open, browse the available options and select one. Take a moment to pick an icon that clearly matches the project's purpose. For example, choose something simple and high contrast if you want quick recognition, or use a style that aligns with related projects so your workspace feels consistent. If there are categories or a search field, use them to narrow down your choices and avoid scrolling fatigue. When you click an icon, Grok will show a preview so you can confirm it looks right before you move on. If it doesn't feel quite right, just click a different option until you find the one that fits. After you select an icon, look back at the project header to verify the change is visible. If you're collaborating with teammates, this update helps everyone identify the project faster. As a tip, consider establishing a simple system, like using similar shapes or colors for related topics to reduce visual noise and make navigation more intuitive. That's it. You opened your Grok account, clicked into your project, selected the icon area, and chose a new icon. A small change, but it goes a long way in keeping your workspace clean and efficient. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step while you make your update.